Hello friends, now I am going to show you the brightness control of a bulb by mechanical PWM.
Let's start.
You can see that as I am sliding up, the brightness is getting reduced. See, the brightness is getting reduced. And now if I am sliding downward, then the brightness of the bulb is getting high. So in this way we can control the brightness of a bulb. And now I am going to show you the diagram or the circuit with which it works. First there is a motor circuit. This is the simple motor circuit which is connected through a battery and which is driven at a constant speed. So the motor is rotating at a constant speed. With this, the shaft is connected. You can see the shaft, and there is a wire wound in a spiral manner. You can see the beside figure which is also there, in a spiral manner, and it is rotating in the axis of the motor shaft. And below the shaft there is a movable brush which can be moved mechanically, and it can be controlled, means the distance which is in contact can be controlled mechanically. So basically it acts as a switch. The circuit, you can see that this is the cell. The current flows from this direction, and through the wire it come across to the bulb. Means when we are getting the position here, since the brush position is suppose here, so only this part of the wire get contact, and at that time you can see the current flows through this wire through this bulb. So this is rotating. So after one revolution you can see that only this part will get contact with the brush. So after only one revolution it will get contact. So the pulse we are getting, that is the simple little bit of pulse. But when we move the brush position to little bit deeper, so the whole wire is getting in contact with the brush. So the time period of the contact will increase. You can see that when we are moving it below, so the whole wire is revolving. So this part will get contact with this, and this part will get contact with this. So whole wire will be in contact with so we will get a full brightness. And when we are little bit half of away, then only the half of the wire will get in contact. So the time period will also be half. So we get a little less brightness. Hence we can we are using here to control the pulse width. So using the pulse width we can control the brightness of the LED. Now I am showing you the components or the connections. See, this is the external power source for powering the LED, and this is the bulb, and this is connected through here, and this is the one brush contact position. You can see that this one is the contact position. If I touch it, and the bulb is glowing. And this one is the first brush position, and the second one is this one, above one. This one is the sliding one. You can slide it and vary the distance of the contact. And this is the spiral wound wire which is wound on the shaft, and this is the simple motor which is been driven by another power source. Here we have opened the shaft. You can see this, and see, this is acting as a switch generally. If we first contact position is here, and the second one is the sliding one. If I connect it, then the bulb will glow. As you can see, this is revolving, the shaft is revolving. So if I bring the brush to this position, then only the first part, you can see only this part only this part is contact with the brush, means then after only one revolution it will get again contact with this. Now if I move the brush position little bit ahead, now this position is also in contact with this, the spiral path, that is also in contact, but the rest path, that is not in contact. Only 50% of the wire is in contact with the brush. So you can see that the time period is increased from little bit to 50%. Now if I move further, then the whole wire is in contact with the brush, so the full brightness we get from it.